Cosmetic dentistry has exploded onto the market in recent years. With teeth whitening, implants and veneers, the in-phrase is smile design. It's a whole new world of looking good. And this has been the only option for Holly Russell, who has spent years correcting her broken teeth after being hit by a car when she was young, and now finally has something to smile about.
But I don't believe you, so I went over to Harry's place.
23-year-old Holly Russell wants to be a star.
Stood outside, across the road, in a doorway.
But this talented actress feels there's something holding her back.
I think my smile's awful. It's skewy and it's uneven and it's discoloured. When I was 8, I was hit by 2 cars on my way to school. First car hit my face and basically knocked out 3 of my top teeth, and when the paramedics got there, they were able to save the 2 front teeth by pushing them back into my head, you know, but they weren't able to push them back in straight.
Holly has had 2 years of orthodontics to straighten her teeth, but there's still a long way to go.
In fact, that tooth there is actually missing. It's just a fake tooth sitting on the braces.
Once, the only option for that missing tooth would have been a denture on a plate. But implant technology means a new tooth can be fitted directly into her jawbone. Holly will also have porcelain veneers on her chipped and discoloured front teeth.
I've been acting since I was 2 and it's my passion. There's nothing else that I've ever wanted to do as much as acting. I won't let anything else get in the way of it. I'm determined to make it work for me.
After 2 years of dental work, Holly is finally nearing the end of her treatment.
I got my braces off, which is very exciting, but I still have a space. So I've got a retainer in, which has a fake tooth sitting in there, but I'm beginning to visualise it now and I'm happy to smile.
To replace Holly's missing tooth, periodontist Dr. Kevin Toads is fitting a dental implant.
In this situation, there's going to be 2 stages. Stage 1 is where the implant will be placed into the bone, and that's the part that actually replaces the root of the future tooth.
The gum is opened up and the titanium cylinder implant is screwed straight into the jawbone. It must be left to fuse for 3 to 6 months. In a second surgical procedure, the implant is exposed once again so a crown can be attached. Implants are expensive, but they are a stable and permanent alternative to dentures. While Holly waits for her crown, cosmetic dentist Dr. Angelo Lazaris starts working on her porcelain veneers. But first, he must whiten her teeth.
The veneers are made of a translucent porcelain so that they retain their lifelike appearance. So we need to get the base colour of the teeth right first.
Yeah, how many shades is that?
A gazillion?
A gazillion?
I don't know.
Wow.
I think we've done well.
You've done very well.
Cosmetic dentistry is a broad term. We can have things which are as simple as tooth recontouring or tooth modification to more complicated procedures which can include tooth whitening, straightening of teeth, all the way through to porcelain veneers and to really elaborate procedures such as smile reconstructions or makeovers. Whitening does not damage teeth. Whitening has been around for at least 50 years or so. It's been shown to be increasingly effective and very safe for all teeth. The short answer is that tooth whitening can last indefinitely. However, it is dictated by things like social habits of smoking, red wine, coffee, tea, etc. Things that will stay in your teeth will obviously darken them again. Veneers, it can be best described as something like a false nail. Okay, it's a thin shell of porcelain which is bonded to the front surface of the tooth, and we utilise that to either reshape or recolour or resize a tooth. Teeth which are slightly crooked or misaligned can be reshaped by utilising veneers. However, there are some downsides to it as well because you are then committed to having veneers for the rest of your life.
Today, Holly is having crowns and veneers fitted in the final stage of her dental makeover.
Firstly, we've got the veneers here, and as you can see, there's just a thin shell of porcelain that just wraps over the front surface of the tooth. The crown, on the other hand, is like a thimble, and it fits over the entire circumference of the tooth.
The crown for Holly's missing tooth is attached to the implant, which was inserted into her jawbone 3 months ago.
With veneers and crowns, what we can do is repair any minor aberrations or chips in the teeth and the size and shape of the teeth. By incorporating a number of veneers, we can completely rejuvenate a smile. All right, now it's time for me to get nervous. Have a look.
Oh my God. They look awesome.
Happy girl?
Very happy.
Look good, huh?
Thank you. Thank you. A hug.
Give you some love. It's okay.
I believe they're done. Oh my God.